Yo guys, I'm Jimmy from Tutorial School, and this tutorial I will show you how to hack a Wi-Fi very simply. First you go to the CMD and run as administrator, then follow my steps.
It's a mad world, but it's crazy, crazy how you make the bad turn to amazing. And I don't wanna lose this now. I don't wanna lose this now. No, I don't wanna lose this now. 'Cause it's a mad world.
So that's how I hack my neighbor's Wi-Fi, and if you have any questions, comment below, I will reply you soon. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial, and see you guys in my next video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.